Welcome back to Little Angels. In the last video, I showed you how to do the cute DIY fridge vacuum. In this video, I'm going to show how to make DIY home decor with a Pringle bottle. Let's get started. So all we need is the Pringle bottle, some pearls, a glue gun, the hot glue gun, a glow stick, pair of scissors, and any wrapping paper of your choice, a gift wrapping paper of your choice. Today I'll be using this paper to do the craft. Let's go. Now we have to see the measurement of this gift wrapping paper to the size of the Pringle. Let's roll the gift wrapping paper to the finger and let's cut the extra parts. So now let's glue the gift wrapping paper to the Pringle with the glue stick. Now stick the paper. So now I sticked all of it, only some more are left. Try to stick without any air bubbles. So there are no air bubbles, but these folds can be as designs. I got some extra parts, so let me cut it out. So now we are going to stick the extra parts which are up and down inside. So just so here it's done. Help of the glue gun, we are going to stick the pearls on the bottom of the Pringle bottle. Use the hot glue gun if you're a kid in a kid. And stick a pearl. So here we go. I stick all gems in on the bottom of the Pringle. Now I'm doing another design for the top part of the Pringle box. So let's see. So just like this, stick all the balls. So here. Now our vase is ready. Here are some other vases which I did. So this one I just did it right now. This one I just sticked a nice design gift wrap. And the next one I did it with a gold color paper wrap. And stick some gold color pearls. The next one is also the same as the third one. Just stick some nice paper wrap. And the fifth one is just a green color paper wrap with some green pearls. Now let's put the pebbles. So I have some beautiful flowers. So let's decorate this vase. Let's decorate the vase. Decorate this vase with the flowers. So here. Here are my vases with beautiful flowers. Hope you enjoyed my video. See you in my next video.